Typical panel operation for Cranston setup. Got a PLC panel, plus all the manual buttons and e-stops. And this has remote e-stops at different locations so that they can shut the things off. So the typical panel operation for Cranston: on, power, on, initializing the loading, momentary lapse as it comes in, checking to free, make sure motors are clear and free on all sides, including discharge conveyors and bailers. For PLC operation, you can hit an alarm screen, and this alarm screen will give us whatever faults that have happened and occurred, and we're able to pull out those faults and do it. Have an alarm history. We can page up, page down, line up, line down. We can go into the timer screen where we can set the individual motors, the TDH, the baler feed, the discharge conveyor A and B all have programmable timers for the motors, so we can go on time. From here we can set on for 10 seconds to infinity. Off time, same. Exit back to the main screen, then do that for each motor, each circuit through the thing. To go on with it, be a slight delay. Select auto function, run light, disable. There's a ramp down time, and then the motor stops. So again, enable, run light. Once again, ramp time, and off. And again, that's a similar function for all motors, or simply select the manual phase, run time, off, small ramp time, down, and then clicked off. The panel function itself is with the PLC control, all wrapped. Main breaker equipped. Quick drives for everything. Number one panel installed. Panel functions also include the VFD drives for each individual motor. So on top of the timer system, which can be set on and off at infinite, we also have speed pods with VFDs for each individual motor, which gives you the combination of the timers at infinite for each motor on and off, coupled with the VFD speed drive for more versatility.